sorry for being a stranger. I mean, to just stop you guys like that. But I have a shirt just like that, like same color,
Yeah, Kuya?
same yes size. Yeah, it's a big brand, like a major brand in Jamaica. You know that?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
nice brand for nice people.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
and I like his smile.
Thank you.
Hi,
Hi.
your sister.
Yeah, she's actually my cousin.
Oh,
She
hello.
just accompanied me to the daycare because I went to the daycare to pick up my baby.
Oh, nice. What's her name?
Her name is Princess Jane.
Hello. She's a really nice one,
Yeah,
nice princess.
thank you.
Yeah. So I'm a bit nervous, but I'm like, I mean,
Why are you nervous?
like it's never happened to me before yet, but I don't know how to say it, but really nice, attractive. I don't really want to say attractive because I don't want it to sound like, I say this to every girl, and I try to,
And why would you assume so? Why would you
I
assume
don't
that
know.
if it's not a case where you do say it to like every girl?
I mean, I'm not the first guy you talk to, right? And apparently, I'm not. You have a baby, so apparently you have a baby father. So maybe whatever me have to say to you now might not make no sense, because live with a baby father and all of that. So
Alright, so I mentioned my baby daddy, he's fine where he is.
well, so is that the cue to say, hey, I'm not interested?
Not necessarily.
It's already like that. Since
Okay,
we
so
already
what you
did
trying to
that,
get at?
I'm just saying, like, we could, get to know each other more, talk, maybe be best friend, stuff. Yeah, we can talk about a lot of things, maybe you can help with business and stuff, because I
Well,
really
as you
don't need
can
help.
see, I now have a young baby, so
Yeah, and that's okay. It's okay. Trust me, it's okay. I love kids. Like, I always want to have my own daycare, like preschool. Like, I just love kids, like kids is like my middle name. Maybe my parents should name my middle name kids.
okay.
Yeah. So I mean, I don't want to ask you for your number, but I could give you my number, because I don't want you to say that's another turn off or that's a two strike. I'm trying. I'm trying.
Okay.
So
Well, first of all, I can give you my number.
um, I
Let
think
me
you know
just
what,
be
you know
straight
what,
up.
you
I
know what,
can give you my number.
you know what. I think this is a sign because I leave my phone on the charge. But I mean, if you give me the number, I can remember it. If you tell me, like, my brain is really good that way. I can
Really?
remember stuff. Trust me, I can remember it. Like, it's right there.
Okay. 876
876
999
999
triple nine.
999. That's nice. That's nice.
I'm just kidding. Let me give you my number. Alright, so my number is 990
Yeah.
54.
So I
So
guess
you remember the number?
yeah, I remember it for sure
All
now.
right, and it's Chantel. All right, so
Chantel.
yeah, my name is Chantel, but some persons call me Murty, so you can call me Murty
So
as
I
well.
call it Chantel Murphy.
Yeah,
Chantel
well,
Murphy.
whatever.
Alright.
And your name is?
Skinny.
All right, so Skinny. So take care of yourself, and I
Yeah,
have
I
to go
know
now.
because the corona thing, I just be
Yeah, it's all right, but I have to go now. All
Alright,
right,
take care.
all right, take care.
Alright, bye. Nice meeting you again. Watch here, what a bombshell. Why? Wanna nice. Yeah, man. The shirt they come like, yo. The shirt they come like it's a sign. Yes, side. Oh, yeah. What a bombshell.
Up on our next back of you. Yes. I just saying that. All right. Take a chat.
That's up my general. No joke, man.
Yeah, man, I eat, man.
That boy out there. They never over here, sir. Man, love him food, so man.
What
Or
do you
in
want?
a box, pork.
No, go with that chicken.
man,
Right, that's
go
only they
with
consume some food, bro. Party, right, that's
I had seen Simon and I made.
I'm here ratty, you know.
What a
So we
bombshell.
have to get started ratty all the while for one of the defender, you know.
Like a man is just going to hold out here, you know.
All right, general. Man, I'm gonna respect. Tall up like Spurty, he'll have one part.
Same thing, man. No, bro,
why pray now?
You say, I think they can link up on the same thing, man, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I think kind of look on me and brother, man. That will depend on the brother, so I can link, you know.
Yeah, we're going. Who was the Senate and the thing that come true? You say, just have to give me. And then tomorrow is me. Just let it everything. Finalize and get everything on the up. Knock your line and make you know everything. Say, oh, just come on foot. You get where you feel because you know, say, no joke about it, we can't
Yeah, my
stand
brother,
it
oh God, man.
I want
God,
to
man.
man, right this
Oh God, man. Anything you say,
right this summer
what a bombshell.
right this
joke.
is me.
But that good still, man.
Alright.
If I you say it up then, watching the news, so just read that look history on the front.
Nice. Where she come from? Where she come
You
from?
know, say that man outside about she got deal with a realistic thing. She does pick up a baby and do that. That means I have to worry about him, man.
I've watched it, you know, because you know them boys staying.
Me and mother, we get that. You know, why not? Your words are
So she-
me and you like me and nervous.
So where she is? Where she is?
I say you again, queen. Me don't say it that name, princess.
Princess what?
Princess. Say name again. Princess Jane.
Eh?
Yeah, but she name
Baby name the son from line of
she name
boy.
Queen Chantel. Yeah, yeah, me to know me, and she knows that me name King Skinny.
Right,
What's
that's
a
up.
bombshell? No joke, bro, God, man. You know my style.
No. But the name the son Famila.
Funny, that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, she run, man, and nice run. And she have one short up sitting there, brother. All more and do so they stop that talking, just one, so yeah.
Right, that's you have to find out where she come from, you know. I have to replace it.
Me have a 6-1 number, man, you see.
I have to replace it.
Yeah, man,
You have to know what I'm going to get.
Anytime, I'm not saying a picture by that man, make you see a man, because right now, I can't wait for each other. You see, the one king down the road, let me have to let go of that, man.
What going?
Brother, if I bring our friend come and we get a drink some, brother, me and tell her if we bring one next one, make we have a foursome. Man, a king salad.
Yeah, so where must I
I tell me, say, if me want too much and me say, me want too much. Just black and delete him, man. You know,
Instant.
man, enough girl in a bungle.
Right.
We have girl here and there
See
and
that?
everywhere.
You don't remember your name?
King Skinny. No joke.
Chubber.
Well skinny.
Right,
No
right,
joke.
this up.
Bro, God, you know. Don't say one go down by road get some food, bro. That's
Just do what you have the money, right? Just say me charge then the money go and hold up.
Say
Man,
party,
right, this
bro,
up.
man. You link up and I look at it.
Yeah.
Chat, bro. Man, outside. Come on, dress up with it. Alright.
Hello? Yes? Who is it? I don't know. Who is it? Okay, skinny. No, I'm not at home, but I'm a few blocks away from home. That was quick. Okay. We'll see about that one. If you say so. Okay, skinny. Skinny nigga. If you insist. Yes. Why making fun of my name, skinny? I said, why making fun of my name? Mertz. Alright, skinny. Skinny nigga. You're you're full of words. Yes? Okay. I hear you. And as I said, if you insist. You're right, we be twinning. Okay. Alright, skinny, no problem. Well, we'll see about that one. Alright, thanks for calling. Alright, take care now. Yes, she's fabulous as well. Yeah, she wants to sleep, so we're just gonna take her home now. As I said, I'm a few blocks away from home. Alright. Alright, take care now. Bye.
I'm more sweet girl. I'm more sweet, so.
Oh god. Oh god, girl. He seems to be such a nice guy.
Well, to be honest, I can't give my choice, so.
Well, we'll see about how that one goes.
Yo, I'm to poach man. Yo, she love her man. Wait to see man. Jenny. Man have mission to go up on the man. Sure. Watch out. Watch out, boy, baby. You smell good though. Smell good though.
Thanks.
Like you just bathe and thing.
Me just
Cologne,
fresh up and
stuff
come
for
out.
sure. Sure. So yeah, look for me, sir.
So what happened a long time, I don't see you.
Be a show me there did something, man.
Oh, so what happened to you look or something?
Yeah. Oh, we should look at something, man.
The same something, the money.
You know, easy that. Never good money.
So what happened? What make you hold on for this so long? You can't just give me a hand done.
Babe, watch you know. Nah, all heap of money, me have your money, you know. Yo, me get cry. You know, easy, you know. You just know for drill, me son, not true.
No man, I'm not sure, but you know, so me need it.
I 25 now.
Alright.
So I say later and see you later.
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Sure.
Yeah, Gina, you know.
Me not general you.
You sure?
Me sure.
You love me?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Gone to bed.
You're married to me?
Mm-hmm.
Well, babe, what you know? I'm going to link about later. See, maybe with something, yeah?
Alright.
You sure?
Sure.
Sure, you love me? So what you know? I deal with something fast. You can't really put her, you know?
Alright, later. Come link me later, man. Me there wait for you.
Sure, baby.
Sure.
Yeah. Listen, go on, man.
Alright.
What a bombshell. What a bombshell. Girl, nice up. What a bombshell. Baby, man, I tell you, say, no joke, man. I love the color. My favorite color, you know? Yellow.
Yeah.
No
This
joke,
is
man.
kind of like one of my favorite colors too.
No joke.
But my utmost favorite is actually pink. Yeah, you're brave enough? You're brave.
Brave for what?
You have to come here,
Yes,
cause
you know, say your parents ain't live with them. You know, live with them, man. So, parents are live.
doesn't matter if you fix up a shirt. Me like when I fix up a shirt, and if you always fix up a shirt and something. Cause my father kind of skeptical.
Chantel, what going on, sir?
Even daddy.
Blessed Mary. Yeah, man.
Who are you, sir?
I'm a friend, daddy. I just my friend.
Friend from where?
I'm a friend, man. You know.
Of your trousers look so bossy.
Okay, you know, say, I kind of style.
Are you here, man?
Like,
What kind of man this you come and me here, Chantel?
no, man, I show me that, like, it's a style, you know, like, art, because I do like art and stuff. I like the art management business, you know, and stuff.
Management
so
and
it's
art.
like creative.
Why a whole heap of creative art upon for your trousers, brother?
Yeah, man, I say go uncle. You know, I think going on new era at time, man.
Why, my
What's
brother,
that
and after
20?
me time, you know, them the same thing, they have to get them down up. We have to carry them go to tail, go down them up, you know, brother. Yeah, them the same time, you know.
I know them kind of way.
Yeah,
Them,
the
man.
mongrel
As some
dog,
granny
them a rush hour,
used to
brother.
tell me. My granny used to tell me about them days, man, like all Bella's foot pants and them things. You know, like
Chantel,
pencil foot.
now I want to get out of it.
I'm good, man. Yeah.
Chantel, you see, from your father dead, and me take up your mother with you. Me swear, say, me I go protect you, and make sure you're good.
Yes, daddy.
Me send you go to school like you're my own, and me take care of you. As far as me know, you're my daughter. So look here now. Me no like them the raggedy looking boy there. That the boy they look like him did a fight with dog. That funny man head, man. Look how you looked on upside of him. Lord, man, Papa Jesus. People would not say, what is it? When you go the road, you know, make nobody see you with him. Me no really like it thing where I go on it. You have to know, though. Me want you take care of yourself and put yourself in a problem. But then a boy, you know what it is, you know. So problem, Chantel. But me can't tell you who you choose in your life. But just be careful. I know everything where glitter are gold.
Yes, daddy.
Alright, mama. Go and take care of yourself.
He's very overprotective.
If you say I have a problem, maybe, because I really love you and I'm living for true, you know. That's
Well, you know how him stay, me I tell you how him stay, him overprotective and something, because my biological father,
yeah.
him dead when my mother 8 months pregnant with me and something so.
Sad for you that, though, you know. But you know, you know, as I say, I'm overprotective. I don't want to stay out there too long and he, you know, might look out and wonder how you're out there, so. And at night too, and then something that, you know. Yeah, boy, I need to. Yeah, what you know? I know, so I want $2,000 I have stuff with you. I want to give 1,000, see if you could have buy a juice and stuff, you know. And just, you know, just wet the belly button and much, you know. But there's something for wet the belly button, you know. And stuff.
Alright.
So, you know.
Alright then.
Yeah, so me see you later here. Exhale.
Alright.
You feel nice though.
Alright. Alright then. Later. Take care.
Tell her.
Not right now. I have a baby daddy, but we're not. As you know, I have a baby. So I have a baby daddy, but we're not together.
Get the cream.
Here you go. Thank you.
You know, the ice funny. You want a napkin? China. I'm up on a big man level still. I want to their foot stuff for you, you know. Yeah, man. No, joke, man. A long time I want to have a nice someone here stuff for you. No, say I work on them thing there and I have a baby, no problem. Cause sometimes I will stay with the baby and then look away there, you know. Cause I don't really work like 7 days a week. Not
Really
about 5
now?
days a week. Not about 4 days a week. Maybe sometime 3. You know?
What kind of work you do?
Kind of work. I'm a businessman. Yeah, I do a lot of business. Yeah, business, you know.
You want major interests?
Business, making money. Making a whole lot of money.
Nice.
I want to spend some money on it. Yeah, bra funny. Yeah.
Is that easy?
I mean, 1, 2, 3. Until 1, 2, 3, 1. Quick and fast. See a cute smiles with you. I mean to be a next baby father and the only baby father. Like a one stop, you know. Final destination. Yes about that. Me and you. And princess. And we'll just get some other kids. Build a palace, you know. And I have to think about it, man. I made the right man feel look at me good. No joke, man. Right now you have me to think about a lot of things. A whole lot. Like, you don't even know, like, me just want to build a family. You see me? On the side, so I never meet her before. So you only have one baby father. And I'm me. Skinny. Water bombshell. Like that, that's true.
What a bombshell.
What a bombshell. True. I'm a good youth, you know, man. Anybody quite black can't tell about me, man. I'm a good youth, man, you know. Good youth.
You know those guys?
Them boy, they bad mind. Yeah. Be watch myself for true and see myself for true. But you know some people stay there when they see emotion and kind of way, positively, they don't like that, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Cause I guess what go on now. You see me, you know, me not have no bag of woman and them something there. And me just humble and just do my business. You understand? So true them can't know my business, them just get corrupt. You understand? Yeah. You know them kind of way, they know. You must have experience with them type of people.
Well, no.
Them type of nigga, I saw them stay. You know, say if I come in, I be watch them, I watch and I scroll stuff with you. Yeah. I saw them do. Yeah. Right now, you know, so you're pretty and nice and look fluffy. Bad man, me I tell you. Right now, I can't even talk too loud, make them ears of a choke, because them say true to earth. No joke. And I enjoy yourself though.
Yeah, it's good.
I see it, man, you know. You have many more enjoyment to make, you know. Come on, take you to more places, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, take you to foreign and them places. Because I travel more, you know, and thing, but my visa kind of expire now, but I deal with it. You know, because I have the business around and them things, you know. So, soon as things start and set that kind of way, you know, go embassy, come have a wave for links. I have links at embassy too. Yeah, man. Brawling, man. My links them tall for the show. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, so yes, I'm moving with me there because I really want that, you know, me together. You know?
I'll have to think about that one. I'm going to think about it. I have to think about it.
You know, say I want to tell me yes, but they just say,
I'm going to have to think about it. I need to get to know you more and stuff like that. So.
yeah, man, you have all the time in our world, man. Remember, so we're going to get together forever, you know, so you have all the time to think about it.
We'll see about that.
You will see about it.
Let nature take its course.
Nature already take course and direct me and you together.
You're so
Perfect
full of
couple.
arguments.
And I'm full of argument, one of the right words. I never
You're
find
full
myself
of
so
words.
fluent like this before, you know. And I mean, nature put words.
And you
in.
were so shy
So
from day
That me
one.
I try to show you.
So you've become so blunt.
Yeah, I mean, I tell you, say, nature set course in me, you know.
Okay.
Nature set course in me. Me and you together. You understand me? I fix up a place nice for Anna. I get one of the mesh thing. We can, you know, cover for the mosquito. Because I don't want the mosquito bite her, you know, so she nice.
You know, so I forget my purse, I go off it. You can't turn back and go feet, see me please.
If you left your purse be.
I don't remember it, I left it right on the couch and I forget. Please, no,
You
please.
see, I can't bother with you.
So life, go man. Just ride and go back for now, you want to walk
Damn idiot.
You feel say you can't hide from me? Eh?
Yeah, watch yourself.
Not touch me, man. You feel say you can't hide from me? Eh?
see,
You come like you
see,
feel say you can.
See, your waist, man. Oh, no.
Don't call him no waste man, man. Cause only time you want to talk to me is when you want like a vagina. And then me see you know, you don't know how long me spot you.
Yeah, watch me do.
And then they call draw back the eye.
I don't know, waist, man. I have something for you now.
But I wanna, you know, me love you already.
Yeah,
You know, say you take me for one eat that girl.
no, man.
You take me for one eat that girl.
Yeah,
God
girl,
knows.
wait. Right now, I run with me, I run here when I'm here to the truth.
For sure?
Yeah.
When? She pack up already and everything?
And so back up, man. Yeah, rush things.
I see him thing you said last week. You constantly
That
said that.
That rush thing, man. I have something
And that's why you hide from me.
I have to move this. Put something where it's a better fit.
Oh God! You really go run my girl, baby.
I mean,
Eh?
you know me love yourself with you.
Well, you know, you hardly they call me and then something they all
Yeah,
hide from me. What do you call on your woman
True, my busy,
answer?
man. But I say I work, you know, man.
Every day you say that.
You know, say that for work. I say, now
You
we
know,
boy.
chicken little idiot boy. You know, chicken boy say if you go for my purse. And you know what, you're a boy that behave.
I girl clown that one.
I mean, tell them, I don't want him to you. Me man here. You have to just do your right thing, you know, baby.
Yo, I can't go somewhere to keep it there.
Tonight, what time?
Curfew, I still hotel where I'm going to tell my man I had to say,
Yeah.
I say,
Me have to go trick you little idiot boy and tell him say me go up on my mother or something. I don't want him to him.
I don't buy anything, man. I girl clown that. Long time I hear about him in the street. And the boy don't know nothing
Boy
about
not
it.
top, boy not top. Watch my phone right now. Me have to use me eye to open my phone. And him.
What about Michelle?
Man,
I ain't got
you really go run away eat that
Listen,
girl, baby?
Yeah.
When? Me just want to know when I eat the bad of my brain.
I don't know. Brawling.
When?
Do sometime.
I know,
but you know,
me
I
all
choose-
the ear say
choose
uno
brain,
have all.
man.
That me want to get to a desk so me ain't go touch that the topic. Them ear say she all breed. Breed.
That's why I can't run him out yet. I'm running up to the mother. That's a joke. I run him out. I run him
So
out,
what make
but
you
when
no
I'm
move out? What make you no
I
move
run him
out?
back, I'm up in people and place.
What make you no move out then since
Listen.
destroy baby mother this?
Alright, watch him.
Or better yet, what make you no make him kill the belly?
So that me I tried but she need to take a pill them and something. Yeah, me I try
Come
give
like
the
a
pill them,
show
but
up.
nah, take them. You understand? But know yourself, man. You make things work real way, you know.
Me can't bother to sit down every minute on the way. This no normal.
It's easy, man.
When me they call you, I she
You know,
the
see me send some
answer.
money in your account.
Yeah, oh
You know why I
God,
spend on
thanks
the boy
Pete.
there, you know?
No, me not
Better
even
than-
touch it. Cause remember, say me want to finish up one part-time house, you know.
Yeah, man. Why you just deal with that, man, you know?
Him not move right, not even work he want work. I don't know how I do him. No, what him not even work he want work. It's like he want me for work on my name.
So I said, you can't bust a face like this.
Right, so? No, we can't go do it. I true you know one camera guy hotel again, I can't move so. Eh? Hey, you see that icky the way you put on for me what the concealer. Me not tell him nothing, me not put on concealer and something.
Hey, you're tough, you know.
Me say me have me boy anyway, but they come like me don't know what. It's like he in the catch on or I'm a man they tell me saying the catch on. Me don't know what.
Hey, boy, you're not in style, man.
I don't know what. God know. Or probably be a true, me know say me guilty or something. My mind they tell me saying the catch on.
Nah, man, in good, man. You know, say I idiot that, man. Boy, not in style, no. Boy, you know about badness, man. Boy, they know about
Fool
badness.
that the man. One little money he make
You know how much
feel
girl man have a road. I mean, you know how much style man have a road.
I must that you want to say.
Well,
Hey, me say if you not take me for idiot, and me take myself for idiot.
you show link up in the car. Want to do something.
How where you when they go? Where when they go?
Some business me I deal with, man. I have 100,000 for drop a foot side. Me there I deal with, you know.
Oh, remember say my name still active, you know.
Not sure. I know go there.
Alright, I want to go back out on the phone before
Yeah,
you
man, go on, man. Make him suspect nothing. Because now I'm style, you know.
I want to cut idiot boy, but in the race and our family.
What a bombshell. I tell her.
Yo,
I said that, bro.
yeah, but Missy say, bro God, Missy say I fishy on my woman, na bro God, but me I go and left my woman alone, na bro God.
Who that?
He said, the bro God, when me see you, so bro God, when me see you top.
Nah, man, I'm a friend, man. I know nothing
Bro
like
God,
you,
yes.
man. I know say you be, man. You know.
Bro God, I left my woman because I love my woman, na bro God. You see me?
Nah, man, pray that, man. You know.
Bro God,
man,
na grown me, na bro God.
Man, man, nice sweet, bro. Man, nah do that, man.
Make sure, na bro God.
Nah do that, man.
I love my woman, na bro God.
I know mal pray, bro God, man.
Me I hear things, you know, so.
Nah, man,
leave my woman
people
alone,
talk
bro.
and say things, man. Brother, some people, some people love cats on fast news, you know, people
Bro
make
God.
people dead already, you know. Yo, me I tell
A
her,
good
Jaja.
source me I hear from the bro God, so but you left me woman, na bro
I know
God.
nothing like big man thing I tell her, man. I know nothing like that, man.
Yo, bro God, not to want to hear about this again, na bro God. You see me, bro
I
God.
know nothing like that, man. Listen,
Alright, bro God.
What a boy fool. What a bombshell. What a bombshell. So do you think she's generally?
She inside and something she asleep, but
Every time I come here, she asleep. I'm going to say it, you know.
she asleep, man.
She
and I know what
pretty baby, you know, be good.
you know, everybody been saying that.
Yeah, she pretty much. So
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have feeling like, you know, Prince John. And them call him Prince Johnny. What a bombshell.
You're funny. You're so full of life.
Me,
Yeah,
but
you
you know,
want to come door.
you know, it's a style like you know, like how you have locks, dreadlocks. Yeah, this is my style.
We are trying to tell me, say, this is your image.
Yeah, you know, like it. Yeah. You know, you like it.
Your ear need combing.
Yeah, it's kind of spiritual to me, you know, like a part of me, kind of, you know.
Anything I say?
Yeah, you know, moving with me. How was the dinner? How was the outing the other day?
You know, alright, but I'm not even more ready for moving with them. Anytime soon, not for this cause. What be? What? You mean, Daddy?
Bless up, uncle.
Boss,
Bless up.
I've got to lift up. I've got to lift up, my boss. You know some spirit not to take you.
Daddy?
But me not doing that.
Spirit not so take you, you know, sir.
Daddy?
Chantel, imagine, me go watch a good stage show and I come back in the night here. And watch Sizzla Kalanji mash up the place. And I make good vibes and I come home. And I this me come see her go on. I've got to lift up, you know, boss.
No, we just start talking
Daddy,
and
Daddy,
stuff.
Daddy.
Chantel. And I see the leaf go water, but I'm rotten. My spirit not take it.
Why did Daddy?
You have to go lift up. Yes, I don't want to come back out of council.
Looks like this evening, Daddy. But you see, my real father, as me tell her, my real father dead when my mother 8 months pregnant with me and something. And my mother been with him from them time there, you understand? And you know when me are 14, my mother dead when me are 14 and from them time there him have me. So him kind of overprotective of me and something. Me go on because me don't want to come back up. See me we call you. Me call you. What? Me go call you, Bobby. Me don't want to come back outside and say, come on. B, come on, because me don't want to come back outside and say,
Hey, hold on, man. That's how one boy love grow on, you know. And take up people decent girl pick me, you know. Come in and you tear up clothes all the while. And with your head there, you know, the Rasta bad name. Me not so like you, man. Me say me not so like you. Me how want you to go and left my place. Go and left my place, man. Go and left my place. Chantel, nobody feel like say me too overprotective. But me feel to myself say that boy there want Ginal. Me spirit not take him, Chantel. And look here, man, me have to make sure you are right. You understand? And then a boy only grown and use people, girl pick me. Next thing you hear say you miss, we don't know nothing about you. Look how your boy dress, look how he look. What we are doing them the type of somebody there, eh? Look how me work hard, go and me grow every day and deal with me thing. No, Chantel, we don't want him here, we don't want him here, girl, we don't want him here. Please, me I beg you, Chantel, bear it in a mind. Say them a boy only grown, go use people, girl pick me. Me just look on him and my spirit not take me, Chantel.
take it out your mouth. Take it out your mouth. Take it out your mouth.
Prince, hey, come here. 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 What happened? What happened? Meow. Cat. Cat. Say cat. Cat. Meow. 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 Hey. 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 Say bye bye, mommy. Brr. 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 You forgot I don't have going on me. I know she got ball. You know she
sure you can't manage to stay without her?
Babe, we can't take care of him. I'm there. Can't take care of him. You know, go.
Come give mommy a hug. Come give mommy a hug. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Come.
Say, tell mommy bye.
Skinny no make nothing happen to her, please.
Babe, enough. No worry head, man. Everything good, man. You know. Everything good, man.
Just please, me, I'm beginning to make nothing to her, cause
There's up where you say, come here. Come.
if nothing happen to her, me I tell her say things are gonna happen to me. Cause me I tell her say me kill myself, cause me I tell her this no skin.
Enough me say.
If nothing happen to her, me know me I go dead because her father go kill me. And me I go shoot myself. Me probably anywhere me forget it from, probably go fight one policeman. If you make you shoot me or something, me I go just kill myself. So just not make nothing do it, please.
Come. Yes.
You sure you can manage her? Because I can't always carry her go daycare.
Babe, that good, me good. Me must say to them, me afternoon, me can't stay there.
You sure, Skinny?
Yeah. Say, mommy, I'm good. I'm okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Yay! Celebration time.
I love you.
You love me. We are a happy family
With a great big hug and a me to you. Won't you say you love me?
Baby, smell good
too?
though. You know.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, mommy. Yeah, mommy.
Yeah,
mommy.
Babe, go on and work before you're late. You have to go hide now, because I know
You
what
don't
she
know
say.
how attached my little up in here.
Babe, go on and work now.
Alright, one last hug, mommy. Oh, God.
Yes, sexy Sean, come back again. Go. You
I
stay
love
with me today.
I love you.
Babe, you're perfect chance of God.
Alright, later, me.
Yes. Princess. 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 You will never find anybody like me. Like me. Yeah. Hope him treat you better. Hope him make you smile. Yeah. Princess. Princess. Hey. Hey. Now come. Yeah. 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 You will never find anybody like me. Like me. Princess. Yeah. Phone is ringing. Phone is ringing. Hello? 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 Say hello? Look, look, look. Phone is ringing. Phone. Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Can you make it allow so?
My day,
When
man.
we go see you?
No, I'm not today.
What you mean not today?
Yes.
Can you wear the idea care ready?
Yeah, me a babysit. Me a do a day work a day care. A day care me dem man, me a do a look a day work, you know. Yes. A joke,
So
man.
me not see you then.
Me help out a friend, man, you know. Yeah, me a help out
So
a
me not
friend.
go see you, that's what they say.
No, not today, B. You not see me today, man.
No worry yourself. When
You
you
relax.
see me, you come see me.
Relax, man. You move, so you know you have to see me, man. I say you go on, man.
You and
say,
the baby, alright. Don't worry yourself. Hold it.
Say I. Gotcha. She alright. She alright. Say she alright. Say she alright. She alright. Alright. You want juice? You want juice? Like, come. Meow. Hey, boo. Come. You wanna sit up? Look, hey. Nah, why you wanna put it in your mouth? Hey, no. Who's that?
Hey, mommy.
Hey.
Hi, Munchkin.
So she happy.
Evening, do you want me?
Come here. How was it?
Alright, wait. Hold on, I don't want all our things. I'm going to take off my clothes. I'm just looking forward.
Mama gonna change. Babe, backside. I saw baby had to take care.
I say go.
Right
Never
now,
show
yeah,
and then take
right
it
now,
off.
more short, you know, babe. She don't sleep, like, she only sleep for half an hour.
Yeah, but when you must have come from work, so
Yes.
let me just go be an
Yes.
first. So.
Yes. Fly.
So how was your day today?
Exhausting, babe. Like, you know, so me I said, hey.
Mango juice something for you?
Yeah. She love the mango juice, you know? Yeah, like one day she had, and I make pine juice and she not drink the pine juice, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, she not drink the pine juice. But she love mango juice.
Should we rather the mango?
Yeah, you love. What if you didn't do?
Yeah, what you cook?
Nah, for a surprise.
What you mean surprise? What you cook?
A surprise. It's surprise. Hey. You want to come? You want to come? Yes.
She wants to sleep.
Yeah, she wants to sleep. No taste about half an hour she sleep for. And in the trouble in me.
Alright, mommy. Alright, mommy. Alright.
Now, tomorrow, never put some more money.
Yeah. Actually, mango before is good.
You know what she love to say? She love to buy, like, we mix the whole jug and, like, we drink something, but, you know. She drink that.
So where you cook?
Please stop asking me.
Alright, give me food, I'm hungry.
Gotta like it.
What share food not being hungry? Smell like a curry.
You gotta try to buy me, you know what I say. You gotta try to use it, like.
Alright, but share me dinner, I can't get tired. It sound like a night road.
Yeah, you know, get pies of the joy. You said that.
Move yourself, excuse yourself.
I'm on.
Excuse yourself.
You want to sleep now?
Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy. Okay, one next back one person. And share the food when I finish. Give me the baby water first.
Yeah.
Alright, mommy. Mommy. Alright, mommy. Thank you, bro.
What's that?
What is this? You know it was some curry song.
Yes.
Oh, I'm mutton. Oh.
Tastes good?
Yeah. Pepper do.
Yeah, you know curry after pepper.
Come here.
You want to live in night, Daddy?
Come here. Allez, stop me.
Yes, nice. So like you.
So you never eat any? You never eat any?
Yeah, if you take me, I love show and stuff, man. Because for man, I have the baby man and thing, man. She may tell you she not sleep. Right now she asleep right through the night. And rain a fall.
Because she never sleep today?
And rain a fall. And the baby, I'm sure the baby I will sleep for the whole night tonight. And rain a fall. Go ahead, what? Baby, I go be there and one thing, you know.
Alright, well,
I must enjoy food, you know.
come here. Come back, please.
Babe, I'm here. It's so getting
Alright. This tastes really good. Bye. I have never ever experienced such treatment. I know I did right, you know. As much as that is going on, you see, looks can be so deceiving at times. But it can't really cook. Like, I'm cooking man really good. You know, you can't cook rice, but it tastes really good. I should I just really take a picture. Why am I never take a picture before I start eating? Take a picture, send go to Jay, and I said, Jay, me girl. Jay, and I go send. Alright. Jay, and I go send notion. Yeah, go on with a bag of things. Send go to Jan.
You don't need that.
You're not going to beat it?
Yeah, babe, me have your mouth, forget one thing. Baby, you finish it already?
Almost. Why?
Said, baby, I sleep peaceful, you want to see him?
Be her, me always tell her.
You need to learn in proper English, you know?
You need to learn proper English. You need to know he or she, or him or her.
Now, what kind
Thank
of
you.
juice?
What kind of juice this?
Taste it.
You taste it and tell me.
Well, me
You
know
taste
I mean,
it
make
and
it, yeah.
watch the look where. Go on man, taste
Well,
it and
my
tell me.
babe.
Just taste the juice and tell me because it's pepper for real. What no? Since you know.
Orange juice. Joke. A melon juice. Melon. I put ginger in it, you know.
Lord.
You don't like it?
Mom no do it I.
You don't like it, man. You go on.
Skinny. It's who that you're talking to on the phone.
What you say?
It's who that you're talking to.
But what you want? Good.
Me hear it on your phone like who you talk to.
I mean, the Bible take seriously when it joke. Come let me know here. I say good. What you say? What you say?
I heard you on the phone and I was asking who you're talking to because you're telling somebody you're coming to see them and all of that. That it don't
You hear
sound
me
right.
say me I can't see nobody?
That's what I heard you said.
Yo, let me tell you this. This is my phone. Me do anything when I want to do on it. I'm telling you, yo, on my phone this is my house. Anything I want to do in this, me can do it. You hear that? Yo,
So Skinny, is this
yo. Are you me I talk to you now?
What you said?
You say if you see my black
I
shoes.
just asked you a question a while ago and I just asked you
Yo,
a
you
question.
still come back with the
and you
foolishness.
never answer me.
Me say if you see my black shoes, that me I ask you. You see my black shoes? Yo, you know,
Why
see
are you
come like a
shouting?
style, man style, you know. Me ask you if you see my black
Why
shoes.
are you shouting?
One question me ask you. Me ask you if you see my black shoes and you can't answer. Yes or no?
I don't know anything about any black
So you
shoes.
nothing know about my shoes then. Now you response to yours and things them in the house.
You wear your own shoes. I don't know where you put your shoes.
One simple question me ask you can't answer. One question. Where my black shoes there?
Skinny, stop shout.
Yeah.
Why are you shouting? I don't understand why you start behaving like this. All of a sudden you start behaving like this all because I asked you one question. I overheard you on the phone.
Yo, you me say no? Me tell you this, man. You see, in here, sir, me run things in here, sir. Don't come, don't chat back to me I chat to you, man. Yo, me can't find my shoes, so I go on, yeah? Me can't find my shoes. Laugh up in this. Yo, I'll plate then and go wash up, fam. Yo, go wash up plate them, man. Yo. Up on this road. I'm not doing a ton in this. I'm not doing a ton in this. Yeah, Yo.
Lord, what did I get myself into? Lord, you see and you know it all. And you allow me to get into this. I am only looking to you to get me out. I can't do this. I've never done this before and I don't plan on doing anything like this. Take me out, Lord. You see and you know. You can't do this. Me, Chantal. I never used to stay like this. Why all of a sudden now? I don't understand. I can't do this. I have to leave. I can't do this. Can't stay in this. My mother always tell me, say, if a man put him on fire once, he may do it twice. Really? Really, Skinny? Really? Can't do this. If I really stay in this, I'm gonna end up going to prison. Or I'm dead. I'm honestly I want to lose out and leave the princess. I love you, Munchkin. I love you, Mommy. Yes, sir. I'm going to just stay there with Toya. I have to come to pick me up, please.
Yeah.
How much you charge me?
Could have been worse, but it's better now.
Alright. Alright, now we're coming.
Yeah, why this stuff them babe, you see the baby asleep. Why you have them stuff here, so?
Just leave them. Skinny, leave my children.
Where that one? Baby sitting there, can't. Why you have this stuff them here, so, and the baby asleep? Come put the baby.
Just leave her, just leave her.
Leave, you can't have the baby asleep.
Leave her, we're leaving.
Leave, go here.
Just excuse. Now wake up the baby.
Yeah, listen, man. Listen. If the baby want to go sleep, you can't have the baby like that.
Sure, alright. Just
You
leave her
can't do,
alone.
why you behave so?
Leave her alone.
Why you behave
Just
so?
leave her alone,
Babe,
please.
stop behave like that now
Just
and put the
leave
baby,
her.
put the baby
Leave
to sleep.
her. Listen, I don't want you to. I don't want you to argue
Babe,
with
let
me.
me put the
And
baby
I
to
don't want
sleep.
to argue with
Babe,
you
listen,
over her.
listen, babe,
Just
why-
stop. Just
Why you
stop.
push off my hand
Just
like
stop.
that? Babe, stop now. Stop now, babe. Listen, let me put the baby to sleep.
Just leave
Babe,
her.
listen,
Leave
why
her.
you behave
Just
so?
leave her, please.
Why you
Leave her.
behave like that?
Leave her. Just leave
Why you
her.
behave like that? Babe, sorry. Come.
Listen, I don't stand for shit. I'm not.
Princess, come.
Listen, hello.
What? You can't talk
First
so
of
in
all,
that baby ears.
First of all,
Listen,
you
babe,
put your
listen,
hand
babe,
on
listen.
me.
No,
You put-
babe,
yes,
listen,
you
babe,
did.
listen, babe, listen,
Yes,
babe,
you
listen.
did.
Listen, babe, you
Just
get carried
let me
away
go.
and you have to
Just let me
understand.
go.
Just put that behind you, please, my baby. Please. Just forget that man. That not happen again. The baby wants to
You
sleep.
did it once,
can't-
you will do it
When-
twice
babe,
and continuously.
Me get carried
I'm not
away.
going
You
to
don't
stand for
understand.
this.
Me get carried away.
Okay, so
Come,
go
me not
away.
this, come.
Just
See, the
excuse
baby
me,
out there.
please.
Come,
Just,
come.
just excuse
Baby.
yourself.
She wanna
Excuse
sleep.
yourself.
Yes,
Excuse
yes,
yourself.
yes.
If
Listen,
you had any respect at all for me or her, you wouldn't do what you did.
babe, me get carried away. You don't understand. Me stress up. Babe, listen, babe. Babe, listen. Babe, listen to me.
Just let
Babe,
me. Just
is it true me stress
excuse
out because you must see me not get no work and then something and want to take care of her and stuff like
Just,
that. Babe, stop now.
just let it go. Just stop.
Me could talk
Stop.
about it. Me could
I don't want to talk about
me could
it.
pray. Me could pray now, babe.
I can pray on my own.
Babe, we need to pray together and ask God for forgiveness.
Just let me
Listen,
be.
babe, please no, listen.
Skinny, let me be.
Babe, just we talk about it now.
I don't want to talk about it.
Babe,
It's all done. It's all done.
babe,
It's all done.
what are you talking about?
You did what you did.
Babe, forget
And
it.
that's
Forget
okay.
about that, Princess,
Just let her be. Just
she
let her
wants
be.
sleep, babe.
Just let her be.
Put on this. Babe,
And if you take them up and put them in the room,
babe, stop
I'm
the
going to
foolishness.
take them back up.
Stop the foolishness.
I'm
listen,
leaving.
listen, babe, you know
I'm
so
leaving.
love
I'm leaving
you.
your
You know so
house.
love you. Why you
I don't
like
stand for this.
that? You don't love me no more?
You weren't like it. No, I don't know you.
What's your
I don't know you.
What's your princess?
I don't know you. Leave her
Babe,
alone. Just let her be.
Let's talk to me for a minute now, babe. Please. Why you behave so?
You make me sick to my stomach.
What you talk about,
You
babe?
make me
You know
sick
some
to
love
my
you.
stomach.
Princess, alright. She had sleep. Babe, you know some love you and would I never hurt you. You know that.
If I stay here with you, you're gonna end up die or I die.
Babe, stop.
Or you go to jail or I go to jail. Whichever way.
What-
So therefore,
babe, stop think negative.
I'm not going to stay here.
Stop think negative. We
I'm
are
not
go-
going to
alright.
stay here with
You
you.
can't just forgive me. Oh. Babe, now ask her, please. Just forgive me now. I'm just get carried away. You don't understand. Babe, listen to me. Just listen, please.
It's so unfair.
Babe, listen.
So life is so unfair.
Babe, you know me love you.
I don't want to hear what you're saying. Just leave. The time is humid. Please excuse yourself.
Babe, now go down my
Excuse
church.
yourself.
Now go down my
You can
church.
go wherever you want to go. Just know that I'm not staying here.
Come.
Let her be.
Babe, you can't project negative in her, baby.
Let
like
her
that.
be.
She wanna come
Leave-
to me. Come. Come, baby, come. Come. She wanna sleep. Put her, baby, she sleep.
Yes, or the taxi or your phone call.
What taxi?
I already called taxi cab.
What? Then why you
Give me
call
my
taxi?
phone, please.
Why you call taxi?
Let me get my phone.
Me not take your phone, me just ask you to why you call taxi. Babe. Babe, now I'll cook you. You want me to cook?
I'm not hungry.
Babe,
Excuse yourself. Excuse me. Let me go get my bag. Excuse me.
Just relax.
Excuse me.
Relax, okay? Just relax.
Excuse me.
Just relax, I mean, cheer up, man. Yeah, man, forgive me, man. Come, put the baby first.
If I forgive you once, I'm going to have to continuously forgive you.
Babe,
And I'm not into that.
It's not happen again, babe. It's not happen again. Me sorry, babe. This. Babe, man, be honest here. Like, it will never happen again. You know me love you like that. I promise. Alright?
Love will get you killed.
Yeah, like you.
Love gets you killed.
Yeah, like you.
No, you.
What you talking about? Babe, listen. I never mean for do what happened. I not remember about it. But really sorry. Like from the bottom of my heart. Like right now I just cry, can feel hurt, you know. I understand, you know. Yeah, I just want you to forgive me, please. You know this never happened before, it will never happen again.
You see, because I'm here with my child, it makes you uncomfortable.
Babe,
listen, I was living somewhere before you take me here.
Babe, I know nothing like that.
You took me from my house, brought me here, and this is the treatment that you're giving me. This makes no sense. I'm not in for it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? Promise it now, promise. I'll cook. Where want me cook?
Skinny, I'm not hungry.
You want juice?
I'm not thirsty.
Yeah, you want them?
I'm in need of nothing. I'm fabulous.
Of course you're fabulous. Notice. Yeah, stop behave like that, no?
I love you, Munchkin. I love you, Mama.
Yeah, you know I love you, and so stop this, you know.
You have no idea what it means to love. If you love someone, you'd never hurt them. That I can tell you. You don't know what it means to love. I guess you brought me here to fulfill your needs.
Yeah, everything.
And that's all you have interest in.
I'm stressed out, man. Sorry about that. Man.
I'm not the one that stressed you.
No, I know you, man. I know you, man. You don't stress me out. You never stress me out. You never stress me out. Man.
So what's up with the attitude?
You just get carried away, you know.
Who were you talking to on the phone?
By phone. I nigga the money want me piece of money for when I tell me say me if you come free dance and when we go up there the argument him give me and I tell camera girl and sit, you know. But you didn't remember say me have you guys.
As if
here.
I'm going to buy that.
Me a true babe. I see the fact say me remember say you guys here just bring peace and
the tone that you used, it appears that you were talking to a female.
Babe, and a female, I need that.
Hello? Yes, you're out by the gate now?
Be tell the man say for go on. Bro, God, I can't go on, yeah?
I'm coming up there.
Bro, God, I'm good, man. Bro, God, I can't go on, man. Me did it later. Me.
Excuse me.
Be where I go. Yeah, I go. But I the foolishness, man. Good, man. Forgive me, man. We all need forgiveness in life, and you know that. We're not perfect. And I promise you, I won't want man again. I pay man, my king, man. Yeah. Babe, my soul come up, man. Top. Where yourself, man. Not kiss. Yeah. Babe, my soul come up.
What is?
Yeah.
Me I wake you up for your food. A night now.
Nice.
Here.
How about that?
Your food is now.
Yeah. Oh yeah, give me baby food. So
Be here, macaroni and cheese.
I have to make serious thing, George.
So
Yeah, what
you
that?
make it laugh and I go on.
I baby food that.
Here.
Yo, me no want that. Where chicken there? Where meat kind there?
Me no cook no chicken.
So I saw some macaroni I give me for eat.
Stop
Who
raise
for
the-
eat that?
Stop raise the voice. Stop raise the voice. You promised me earlier today say I lost and what, just stop raise the voice at me. It's either you eat it or you don't.
Wake me up when my dinner ready, yeah?
So me feel left now in the night too much o'clock now and go cook dinner. Go cook chicken, me cook the a macaroni and cheese dinner.
You can make me sleep in peace. Let me sleep in peace now, please.
So you want me now figure take out chicken out of fridge, start out chicken, figure look about chicken.
I woman and me are the man. You do the cooking and make me eat. What kind of baby food you give me for eat?
Stop raise the voice. Stop raise the voice.
Me I raise my voice. You hear me have raised my voice? Me make me sleep in peace. When the dinner ready, you wake me up, man. Sure.
So why macaroni and cheese can't full of belly?
Babe, let me sleep in peace now.
You know, so me just can't bother with this, you know. Me have a baby to attend to and then something. You can't go look about it too, you know. Go take out the chicken out of the fridge and go cut up it. Me will supervise you or whatever. Me just...
Oh, you that feel for know say you are the man and me are the woman. And you wake me up. Me wake
can't
up,
know
me wake
because
up
me a
out
no
there
man.
sleep for picnic food.
Me
I
can't
picnic
know
food
me a
that,
no man, me a no
I
man.
picnic food that no meat kind not even in there.
Stop raise the voice.
Please, let's a piece of chicken for me now. Fried chicken, please. Let's a piece of chicken for me. And please, I beg you. Just a piece of fried chicken, no be. For me do it already long time, no. Quick and fast, me run and do it. Please, now beg you, be. Just leave the chicken food.
Mommy.
Why are you doing fun?
I was just trying to wake you. Here.
What that? Me, you know something love it, don't you?
Hey,
Come
good
here,
man,
man.
hey,
Come
good.
sit inside, man. Yeah, Musa. Sit inside, man. Chill. Yeah, Musa. Yeah. Yeah, Musa. You know, say, I love chicken and macaroni. And you have one like, say, come, man. Come eat a bit. Yeah, Musa. You know, say, I love it so for sure. Yeah, you know, say, I love it. I was surprised here tonight. I love you, you know. Love it to my heart. Right now, yeah, the only thing I'm say right now, I'm princess, so I love so for sure. No joke, man. Can't do without you, know. Can't do without you. I true my stress, man. You know. Now I feel that way, I nothing like that, big man. Nah, disrespect you now, you know. Me I work on sitting for here. And tomorrow, I will surprise you.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I will surprise you tomorrow, man. It's been a long time I work on it, but you know, finally come through, so tomorrow I will surprise you. Yes, alright. Sure, say alright. You love me? 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 Babe, me enjoy my dinner in peace now, babe.
I'll put the baby to bed.
Babe, actually, babe, when you put on some hot water for me, because I all that fresh water too cold tonight, you know. Last night, I couldn't bother. Put on some water for me, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah. One tea drinks. True, man.
I'm like a short too.
I like it.
Nice and material nice.
Yes, I want it.
Mm-hmm.
Feel it.
Mm-hmm.
Say, hey, you're not easy, you know. You
No,
know.
it's not easy.
Yo, you just know if you hold me stuff it show me. I tell you, no lie.
So I can't ask her something. I owe for the prom date or something.
That there?
Mm-hmm.
I'm a nephew.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm a nephew.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm a nephew. True beard, man. I tell them, no joke, man.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a nephew, man. I wouldn't be there with me, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You know, and then my mother leave it, you know. But
I'm
more
just
call,
curious.
well, I'm call her and tell us. You know what, babe? I'm not that fat. I call her feet now.
No.
It's not listen, I
That
call
good
her.
man.
For sure, babe.
Mm-hmm. That good, you know, we do that man.
Yes.
Take me to believe in you, that good.
I mean, I don't say believe me. But you may tell you something, never one, you know.
I understand.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
Just be curious. I'm gonna go ahead.
I mean,
Mm-hmm.
so you say, okay, no more going again. No joke, man. You man, very nice, baby. Man, deal with your breakfast with you.
True, man.
Skin clean and everything, you know. No joke, man. So yes, sir. Next one again.
Yes, about.
For sure. What I mean, Jen. Best, babe.
Boy, skin your body now. And me on a fire.
What a bombshell. Be watching up. Big man thing, you know, say. Remember, say, man, could have so come and see it. So you are going on, you have to push out stuff for sure, you know. But you know, me are going to link you up later, you know. But don't worry yourself, man. I have something for you, yeah?
Alright,
Say pretty. You're pretty, so it's your. I love you, yeah, baby.
I love it so.
Come on, get ready, man. Because now our moms come catch you, you know. Next thing, I have to go move fire out and move. What a bombshell.
Yeah. That's exactly what me I said, because I mean he never used to stay so from the beginning. So right now to be how my behave, me just honestly I just can't continue anymore. Yes. Jan, honestly, me don't know what to do right now. Me just stress out and something. You understand? Me can't. If I go back to my father's yard, me don't know how me I go can do that, because he didn't want me and tell me. He never want me left in the first place because see me I live with no man or something, and see now. Me don't know how me I go face him, honestly. Yeah, because he did a one man tell me something if you go and think it's a smart idea, and he not trust skinny or something. Oh God, Jan just girl. Yeah. Jan asleep. I don't know him. Yeah. Well, in the bathroom. Yeah, in the bathroom over the other side. Jan, honestly, you know, me know my friend, me know say now tell me no foolishness. True. And you ever want me, you ever talk to me and give me good advice, Jan, I always I do it. Me just
No, I don't understand. All of a sudden, he just change out. Yeah. Girl, only thing I can do right now, I just hope and pray say it don't get worse. Yeah, my girl. Jan, me know. Me know you love me and not tell me no foolishness. Me know, Jan. Me know. Yeah. You know what? Right now, yeah, me I think about like what me can do. Like, you know, if you making oh sorry Jan. You know what just come to my mind, girl? Me know what me I gotta do. Me know what me I do, my friend. Me know. Friendly. Me girl, let me call her back. Me I call her back, me girl. Me know what me I gotta do. Me know what me I gotta do, man. Me soon call her back, me girl. Yeah, me soon call her back. No, me not do nothing foolish. Me I call her back, me girl. Me soon call her back, me girl. Me I tell her. Oh God, Jan, man. Believe in me, no man. Yeah, my friend. Yeah. And me girl, me love her too. You know say me love you and me ask you. Yeah, me girl. Alright. Get that drug on. Yeah, man, me alright. My voice just what's up a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, bro, but what me want you do? I don't know if you could come down here and some come stay with me if I even for 1 month or so. As you know, there I see now, me have a baby and sing so. You know, me just want you come stay with me and sing. Because I can't really manage for my own or something, you know. Yeah, and some of the time when me alone there here and sing, because skin week gone out, gone to work and sing, sometimes me not come in and some why you come stay with me and so. Yeah, bro. Yeah, my brother, you know that, yeah. If you can come tomorrow, you come, man. Yes, they can come. So all I do when I left out or something, you call me and me. Yeah. Because me not go on no work tomorrow me day off. So me could have evil. Yes. I make them drop it. Yes, I tell you exactly. Yeah, brother. Yeah. Alright, bro. So tomorrow then here.
Watch them attacks, everything I shot now. I know be a man for them and my pop.
Me where going?
They don't live in the dirt, lock up in a jail and I saw the thing like yo Prolonghd. Watch them attacks, everything I shot now. Be a question you could be a question for.
So where you going look on the time now, where you go?
So, I have to report to you every time I got work. see my mother. Your mother?
Skinny. Me need to talk to you. I want to talk to you. You need to come. You need more to talk to you.
Boy. Talk to me, boy.
If you never important, no, you tell us someone to talk to you, baby.
Them in a day of a day, man. I can't never chat to me, boy. I chat to me, boy. Yes,
You can come here, someone to talk to you, no?
yes, I go.
Fix the face. You can't fix the face, so make you always a beer, so. You always give me attitude and act like some me I worse.
Where say you want?
Make you a go road now.
And then that you attack me for?
Me, look here. My brother go come up here tomorrow and something, you know, come stay with me.
You what?
My brother
For?
thought Jim go come up here.
For?
Cause he might get one work and something. So he will come up here, come stay with me so he can get to go to work and something. Baby.
So why am I to come here?
Because you're so close to which party where he might go get to work or something. So I'm come here, come stay with me for a while.
So
At least 1 month or 2 months or so.
but so long you take for work and you know work and go rent somewhere. Why not go stay? Why not make him go stay?
How long people take for work and start out themselves for they can't be able to pay rent? And I like to no space in the year anyway, you can't stay with me.
Like a joke thing this. Make him stay with your pa. Your pa not live far from you, so.
What do you mean my father no live? Look how far my father live from here, son. Look how far. You're so close to where you work. We forgot to make a place up the road where them say. When you say no, get to work and something. You can't just walk out work from here.
In style. No like in style. Come there peacefully and you just
So what me fi do? Cause he already decided to me tell him yes he can't come.
So
As me never know say you don't have a
tell him you're saying
problem.
attack to me. I feel
But me never know say you have a
I
problem.
feel your place. I feel your place, you confirm with people about fit and sitting. Yo, you know no respect and yo. Come like
How
I eat that
respect
take
come
man
in?
for. Come like I eat that you take man for. Yo, you know no respect for man. You don't know, oh yeah, I go tell people. Yeah, tell people.
Be
say,
relax
if
now,
you
just
stay.
relax now, be.
Yo.
Be just relax now, listen. You might come here, come stay and something and go and work. Remember say even though be just listen now, even though he might go work and something, might go day here some time, especially upon in
I
there
feel
and
place.
something.
Oh, you have to tell
But
people.
he go can help out same way and
help out
something.
what? So you know do you know
He
already
go
do
can-
everything.
Remember say me have a baby and something, and you complain say the baby have to go daycare and then something or something say you not trust people at daycare and whatever.
You're going like say you do no hard work and sitting. You know for multitask. Yo.
Me.
Yo.
Remember saying you can help out just to see.
Yo, 1 month
Just-
good man.
just-
no,
just-
2 months nothing man. Yeah, no, yo.
You can fix your face.
Me no want no man a
Your
clean
face
house
look
and
like when
a
they
mama
rise
come
and
like
push,
a
so make your
mama, man.
behave so.
Your brother a mama man.
What
Man
me-
no fi clean house and then sitting there. A woman do then sitting there.
Me did tell you say I come here come clean house.
When you come tell me about help out and then sitting there.
You can help in another way.
But you know there. I must that.
All in disrespect here.
Yeah, disrespect me. In my house, you go bring man and sit down and talk about if stay 2 months and everything there, like, without me even talk to me about it first. Them thing I may tell about me, I say, woman, why I may tell a judge.
Why you gotta be so mean?
Me not, you know, say you.
Let me ask you
And you
one
are a
question.
problem.
Shh. Hold on, B. Hold on. Listen. You remember the first day when we meet you? You want me to bring you back to day one?
Why me remember that?
You don't remember? Oh, you were such a nice, shy guy. You were so humble. You were this cool kid.
So I'm not cool. I alone
You're
have
not
problem
you're
with me.
not acting cool
I
right
alone
now.
have problem with me.
You're not acting
Can't
cool.
see problem
But
with
maybe
right
I'm
in
the
your
only
face.
person that you behave like this with. Who knows? I've never ever tried to disrespect you in any way. Never.
Yeah, me
I have
close.
never done you wrong.
Yo. You see, you never do me nothing. You never do me nothing.
I have
you never do
done
yet.
you wrong. Never.
You never do nothing yet.
Ever since I've been in this house, all I do is right. I've never treated you unkind. Never.
Yeah.
I try to please you in every way.
When I'm ready for me clothes them, my white clothes them, wash them.
The only thing I can promise you is that I'll never get down on you. That's all.
So say every woman I do it now, so I make it.
Well, I'm not up for that. I'm not going to be doing that.
Joking, you're out of style.
Then
Right.
so be it, Skinny. So be it. So be it, Skinny.
But you don't understand, you have to know if you can please a man. What you have to do for please me? Nothing at all. Me have to cuss every day, cuss like me a girl. You know, say, yo, yeah. Come like you don't realize say you're out of style, like.
Do you know how many muscles it take you to get your face screwed up? Do you know how many muscles? Just try to smile. Put a smile on your face. It gives your face a facelift.
No, nothing to smile, but anytime I touch through the door, I'm going to suck. I'm happy, comfortable. As I come in, I saw one bag of stress and headache. Right now, I go up on the road to go all I mean, so
okay, well, you're not going anywhere tonight.
Yo.
You're not going anywhere tonight.
Yo.
You're not going anywhere tonight. You're not going anywhere.
I'm afraid to lift you up and go out the door.
You're not going anywhere. Let's just do not sleeping and we're going to sleep. You're not going anywhere.
You're not going to wake up.
You're not going anywhere.
You can't put it to sleep. Yo.
All the promises
Yo.
you promised me.
So you promise me and you want to sit there. Every man I get it, I mean I get it. You want?
You look like you want me to lick out in me. You want me to lick out in me?
And I'm need you for the court.
What?
You know
What?
You know man. Yo. There is something on my guy road, man.
No. Not tonight. You have to stay with me tonight. I don't have a good feeling. The spirit telling me to not let you go, so you're not going. What?
You said to get up our family.
That's not what you said. Repeat what you just said.
Come like you know, you shame 3 days for 19 or long.
Maybe. You kill it. Then if you kill me, shame you.
You see, I'm a cat dead, my cat not even turn up.
Let me feel. Let me feel.
Yes, you feel it. Yes,
Liar.
I told me I think about sitting on the road, that's right. You can't get up off of me now. Please and thanks.
Skinny. Here they coming.
You know how you fit come tell me in my house. My house when I work hard for and buy boy, yo, bread I go. My bread is gonna get work. Who care? Who no work and that benefit me? Come like a joke in this. And she take money from. So no man, yo, right now man, I to feel the vibe for going on the road. No. What a joke things. Yeah man, when I did that boy I tell you, so my pa in a ramp in a man. Pa give me some rat. Pa give me some rat to lick. Sometime I'll
River
come.
me can't go.
Go away. Make me ever go river man. I say you just have me a come in a meal. Yeah. What? Me get some machine lick and some big stick. I tell her, boy, it rough out the man.
Yeah.
Where I call up my name for tougher.
Me never call her now.
Yeah, me just left and run this, 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago, me left and run this and walk me down and call up my name. Stop call up my name now. You have to make everybody have to hear you call up my name.
I'm money more want to go buy something.
Money
so
for
me can cook. Me need money for buy me
How
for
would
cook.
Then yesterday me give you money, so how comes you come to me now again for money? Yo, sometimes discuss money, see man. Me can't sit down in peace. If
Yo, you can't talk to your lady, sir, when you're sitting up.
Brother, ease yourself, man. A big people think this money. Ease yourself, man.
But still
Ease yourself, brother. A big people
talk
think,
to
man.
lady, sir.
Yeah,
Have look of respect, man.
Have wish money, me attack. You know, see me attack. Me attack. Me attack.
You can't have look of respect, man.
But she don't know herself, brother. She don't know herself. 5 minutes ago, me left find her house and him a walk me down. For what? Where my walk me down for?
Food, you see a man I got eat it. Money for buy food, put in a house.
Yesterday, me give her $2,000. Yesterday. I'm a come to me. Why me can never take it 2,000 and buy something we can serve it today and the next day? You have to, and I go like say money grow up on tree. Money no grow up on tree, no.
Yeah, money
So
no
when me
grow
give her
up on tree.
$2,000, I have to know if we can stretch it. You understand? I have to can stretch it so for sure. Money no grow up on tree, brother. Me not, yo, some man not understand. Me tell you, it's the anytime you turn man, you will know when me I experience of it and the heartfulness in them. Woman, no ramp with woman, you know.
Yeah, but you can calm down and talk to them certain ways. You know, if you talk to them and shout off of them, or so she have a baby or something.
But I'm not right now. I'm not too busy about no baby, because I don't feel my fitness. So no matter that I try to use. Because I don't feel my fitness, so I'm not supposed to get up every day and spend on fitness. I'm taking fitness pa.
But I and I live. When the baby grow up, might be a you him gonna know his father.
Might be, yo, you have some look at pitney man, you raise them, send them go to school and send them come throw shit in your face and treat her awful like them. Remember say I used to me, I take up no pitney about me, you're mad. I take up no pitney about me and spend pan and them things.
Remember I heard you use that are some pitney. Some of them different.
Well, me nah risky, brother. Me nah go risky because me no know. Me invest my money in business and everything there. Me nah invest my money in no pitney, brother. Me invest my money
that
somewhere.
That the baby they still can get up one day and look on you and give you something.
I true that still, you know, but true that. I real talk, man, but can't tell you the truth, me can't. Yo, when you turn big man, you will understand and know what really are going. Because then woman, you don't really understand. You feel like say you understand, but that's where it go. You know?
Now me just see it one come around, he just call your name a couple times. But look, you know, he not coming and now we are shout and say, you want money if you do that. He come and he take time and talk to you, you start raise up your voice.
Because you have to show them say you are the man. And that you don't understand, you know. You have to show them say you are a man. You lucky me not give him 2 hard bucks.
You are the man. But no man not go want a man we are like him a madman.
Madman. She so know a madman in there. He make him go and provoke me to rat. He go and he know who a madman in there.
Big people. You know, go on like you know everything.
Alright, bro, you don't really
Then
understand how I go on. You don't understand how I
You
go on.
not do right.
tell Sissy. Hello. Hello. Oh, I'm talking. Smile with me. Me say yes. And that me like me see. So I go. Yeah, man. So me good self. ready to come in that place. I'm scared.
You're not there.
So everything good though? You sure?
Yeah, we get drive.
No, no.
Oh. I got Mr. Car. And you say direction.
Oh, me not even here, so yes, when me get jive. Oh, that don't. I know sometimes going on the road and me say easier for it. Cause them places, you know, they kind of hard to find sometimes. So you know, them people on the top. That's true, man. Well, now you know what I mean.
Come here now.
My life, yeah. Psycho man, them really with ya. Them play at long like them want to give you strength, but them not with ya. Alright.
Go on, do it again.
Watch out.
Where I come from next day? I just reached to us.
Nothing.
Yes, no joke, man. Jay did long, bro. In the hot, man. Yo, you're making the yo, man.
You must see your son out there.
Girlie. Hello.
Sorry.
Where I come from? Where I come from?
Sir, excuse. Sir, outer road man come from.
So make you can't tell where I come from. Where? So I go on outer road. Yeah, cook beef.
Long time I see you, man. Me saw my sister all long, innit? Oh, I'm Musa.
Eh?
I'm Musa.
You don't know if you're skinny that time. You don't know what.
Me don't like how I move, man. I move on. What's up? You sure say you're good?
Alright.
Nick, she say you're good.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
But no, you can't know that I'm foolish.
Me nah do nothing, man. Me good, man, but no want him to remember say. Yeah. Me no want him to do no way, so be true.
You not deal with me no way, alright.
I'm telling you, see step. Listen. Hello. Yo. You're full of energy, though, man. Uncle there. Superhero is here. We're gonna save the day. Yeah. You see my Jamo get I know this man know him. I learn. She's smarter. She's a smart girl. Yes. A union princess Jenna. That's a nice wife. Sis. I know. Not there for me.
Me never cook in a but you can't look about something. Bro, me soon look about something I can get you to eat here.
Alright, sis. You're up on no skinny.
Nothing.
I know a joke, man. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, joke, put things somewhere. Yeah. Comfortable. I'm some food and chop asleep. Shanta. Yeah, man.
there, sir. Brother, a woman up that come my youth. Brother, I'm going to tell you that brother, woman up that brother, where that brother. You make that stay my youth. You say a woman up that my youth. Again.
When they out of the kill itself. After me carrying the baby and center. And number 2 me get I want that they do job. But I put you back on the jinx, you know.
Can I use the jinx and wash off it?
Oh. After me carrying the little pitney now. Go in and say, me get number 2. Me go in.
You get
people.
Number 2.
That me say.
Aye.
A lady in a blue. Cause when you go to people them in nurse them in a blue first. And they measure the baby and then take the baby weight and so they have one sheet sitting like where they draw how much she put in the weight and sitting pan it. Put it in the baby that kid. Hey, when me go down now, then say me if can go down. And me go down fi go to the nurse in a white. Nurse today the nurse I say, cause they have something where they with them put mark it out in the number how much a baby weigh and something. And then dry it on the sitting.
Yeah.
You line?
Yeah.
Yeah, me only hear when the nurse like you that say. Then our Marcia get this a sitting here from how we put this up here so.
Yeah. That I baby my
that I so in rub she rub it out, she get her princess and she rub out it.
Oh, the measurement?
Yeah, she rub out it and she use her phone and calculate it and then draw the line. Which part if you dry. Then here are. You don't understand. Me call them. None of them up there now answer their phone. Me call them. So she start calling and answer. When I look, you see, when I woman in the blue, come down now. You see, when I look about the baby, you know. At first, you know, come down with 2 more dackets.
Yeah.
And so, you know, I said to themselves, if you pay attention to it, you know, I'm chatting for them. Terms or them use for calculate for them.
Yeah, you can understand for them sometimes.
Then here in nurse. You have this and say you draw the line here and now you have a baby saying a baby overweight.
So your baby overweight?
A baby not overweight. Because she weigh how much. So a baby not have.
Mind them pies, me not trust them nurse people.
No, but listen conversation, I love to talk.
Them feel mind them are
so,
still, them feel mind
hear him say here, in nurse say where she drop for baby, she has say a baby overweight and the baby is not overweight, the baby is perfect. Hear her. Oh, you know son of me do it. Like you know say girl name what? Marcia. Marcia.
Marcia.
Like you know say Marcia dry. And I'm dry.
So different nurse come draw different measurement.
You know, listen conversation, the measurement way she draw first. A wrong measurement, a professional nurse rub you out. The professional nurse rub out me and say, and explain to the one in the blue. I tell the one in the blue say a wrong sentence she then draw, one in the blue, now take a blame for it. I tell him say next one up there in the blue will do it. I know
so
she, because she understand what to do. Wipe off your mouth, wipe off. See me, wipe off your mouth. And you want to see she wipe off your mouth and shit. Right now.
Really
we didn't out now that self. After me, I feed me pitney and give me pitney and natural juice.
Which phone?
My phone, my youth.
Your phone in the house.
You know which me I eat that? Me no must know.
I don't have no phone broken.
Brother, my phone in my youth.
So you can ask me if your phone broken.
Man.
I don't have
bad man, give me phone my youth.
Skinny looking at living room if you see your phone.
I want to tell the man say I don't have no phone films.
I take up the clothes them out of the couch or something and see if you see.
Make know say I don't have phone films so if you choke, I don't have phone for nobody. Yeah. I like when people do them thing then come blame.
You find it?
All man for things.
Just make sure by the time I come back, I get my phone. That me I talk boy. Yeah?
Come here now, what you mean by the time you come back?
Make sure I come back, I get my phone. That me I talk boy.
Come here, no be, come here.
Where your phone? Which way I left your phone?
Yo,
Bad man.
yo, me tell you this, dog. Me tell you this, Zin. Yo, you see, for me live here, so me never missing nothing yet. So me don't know how me can't find my phone now. How me can't find
So
my
how
phone.
as me forward, yeah, come bring a phone
My
and
youth.
bad man. Easy
My
bad
youth,
man.
my phone.
Easy bad man.
My phone, my youth.
Bro,
Yo,
stop.
dog. Yo.
Sister.
B, come here.
Yo, my, give me phone, my
Bad man, me
Give me
never
phone, my youth.
brother. Bad man.
I'm phone more, my
Oh
phone.
yeah, come touch me for bad
My
man.
phone more, my youth. My phone more and that.
Don't come
Yo.
touch me.
So,
Don't
hold
come
on,
touch me. Don't come touch me.
Stop.
Yeah,
Phone more,
stop.
my youth.
Stop.
My phone.
Bro, stop.
Come here,
When you do the phone.
Stop!
I put on my
Just-
phone. I know part me put on my phone. Tell him to give me my phone and that's what I do.
So I come here with a phone and that me I try to show you, bro. God.
Yo, more my phone, my youth. I'm phone more.
Don't
Tell him
talk
to
to
give me my
Skinny,
phone.
where
phone.
you say you leave your phone?
Yo, I
Yeah,
either
yeah,
take my
no,
phone. I know
no.
part me put my phone. Tell him to give me my phone. I him have my phone. I him have my
You
phone.
ring the phone.
When I ring the phone for me, I idiot. Me no part me put on my phone. No
Alright.
part me put on my phone, man. More on my phone. No, more on my phone. Bad man, lift up,
Alright.
brother. Yo, lift up my youth. Me no, yo.
You know
You
what I'm
can't have a thief in my place.
saying?
Me have
Someone
my
will
thing.
come call me.
Never have nothing in my yard.
I can style me. I don't man have a place
Yo.
of a chocho.
My youth, give me sit, my
Bro,
youth.
just stop.
I don't man have a place of a chocho.
Give me my
stop.
phone, my youth. Give me my phone to my youth. Give me my phone to dog.
Another.
Yo.
Another. Come
Alright,
take
we
it.
no kill
My
each
phone,
other
my
then
youth.
because
Another.
me
Come take
asking if you stop. You know, say
Another.
you don't respect me and you don't respect me
Tell him
either.
to give me
Because
my
me
phone.
I say
Him
stop.
tell
Tell him
the
to give me my
class me as
phone.
no
My
thief.
phone, my want. Tell him to give me my phone. Come like you
Okay,
understand my phone, my
listen, how
want.
can you be here accusing
Yo.
him saying that he has your phone?
Talk
You
to
don't
him,
know if
sister.
he has
Talk
your
to
phone.
him.
Me
Did
never
you
miss
see when he
nothing
pick
from
up
me-
the
from me
phone?
there, so for sure.
Regardless, how do you know you did not
Me want my
misplace
phone,
it?
me want my phone, my phone, me want. Tell him to give me
Skinny,
my phone.
listen now.
Me want my phone. Tell him to give me my phone. Me want my phone. My phone, me want.
Ma come blame me for
Yes,
phone.
my phone, me want. Tell him to give me my phone. And my phone, me want.
Sister,
Right,
let's
me want.
make
No,
sure you
You
my
go
phone.
up
him
on
on
the
the
road this
side,
man,
then
you
come
show
in
you
and
bring
have
by
it.
the phone.
Yes,
I either take my phone.
Easy.
Alright. Come
Alright,
like I eat.
may we go look. May we go inside, go look for it.
Look for your phone, bad man. That's if you do. Look for your phone. Cause you just attack. Yeah. But calm down, yeah, man. Now come tell me about me thief phone.
Bro,
Joke, yeah, joke him and makes up a joke.
God, yes. I don't even know if it's there right now, because in all truth and fairness, we live here so long and him never miss nothing yet, really. So I don't know how now him a go miss his phone or something like.
So yeah,
You
child.
did see his phone in there?
I can't believe. Where I talk, sister?
Me just ask
If
him
you
one
just
question.
see, if you just hear you say them.
So
things
what
like
make you
them.
feel offended, bro? Just
So how
relax
as me
now.
come here so
Oh,
things are missing
God.
and them things there. Me no like them
Me
style.
just
The way
ask
I
you
try
one
to say when
question.
time me come now, I mean I make things missing. I mean, no, sir.
Me just not ask you say if you did see his phone.
No. The man never, always have him, me no see no phone, me no see. Me not even know what kind of phone the brother have.
Cause the bottom line is him never miss nothing yet. Like me and him there, him never miss
You know,
anything or nothing.
you know
So
what?
me not understand.
Yeah,
Like,
I live up. No, me nah make
Bro,
nothing.
just listen now.
Yeah, me I say, me I cut. You see it, cause me no want when time me there so and things go missing. And me first get call and man.
I am
Me
not
want fi
saying.
good. Yeah. I'm a sister, you know. I'm gonna find somebody can fool so. I'm lucky, you know. I'm gonna tell you. What if you know say something so time? Like, you know, so music time. I'm find somebody can fool. You wanna tell me that?
Good one, man. I say good one. Yeah, trouble. I give me popcorn. That's a full of what? Good one. So link up, man. So now something like this, man. You know?
Skinny.
No your phone?
Yeah, me dey on my phone.
So Skinny.
How you go?
Skinny not asking me
Where
now.
you? I mean,
My
me
phone this way
go.
accuse me brother about
How
him,
far
brother
house?
thing.
I mean, but you know easy.
Skinny no your phone that.
Where you go?
No me ask if no your phone that.
Me dey on my phone. Me a
No your
talk.
phone that Skinny.
Me a talk.
So how you say my brother thief your phone?
Me do things I if you answer me.
So Skinny you find the phone, you couldn't tell me say you find the phone Skinny.
For me no want nobody no obligation. Why make me need to report? Me no need to report to nobody.
You know say you have a bad end Skinny?
Me have a bad end?
You go have a bad end.
Me have a bad
Me
end?
don't know where you go tell God
You
say
cook?
Skinny.
You cook?
Skinny me don't know where you go tell
Where you
God
for
say.
boy you not worry about?
If
You
you
cook?
cut
Where
me
you
down
go?
and blood not come. You're wicked.
Where you baby there?
You're wicked.
Me wicked? Me wicked? Are you wicked? You cook? Where me I go eat? Me I dead for hungry? Now you must you wicked. You cook?
I can't believe I know
Right,
me
you
can't
cook.
believe. So all along
See,
you
I
have
got
the phone,
road,
I
mate.
hide the phone.
So me tell you I got road and
Hide the phone and never want me to see you find the
I
phone
wish
Skinny.
phone me tell you say me
And
couldn't
you make
find
me
the
brother
phone.
gone and I feel a way Skinny.
Then if you want to go on, you know go on, him a go on like him a girl. All a clean house and then sitting there. I go on like him a girl.
It's, that goes to
Right,
show
yeah.
how much of a man he is.
Marty, me hungry now, you know cook. Marty, where you go? Hello? Hello? Me dey do all the business so for try make it big like you know. The only way I make money if you can't talk so on people when me at the business. Marty, why you look for me so? You know cook? You go and cook now?
If you ever touch me with your foot one more time.
That more some man, go and
If you ever touch me with your foot one more time. May your foot stool.
Marty, I was go and cook man, I was
If you ever know how me feel.
Marty, go and cook.
If you ever know how me feel.
Go and cook man. I show man I laugh up with the stuff with you. Go and cook man. Go and go cook.
I can't believe.
You can't believe what?
When me I call my brother and tell my brother so now. Huh?
Marty, I worry about your brother not to worry about you, watch ya. My brother, Marty.
Skinny your days are got bitter no Skinny.
Who for days are bitters? Go on man. Yeah, go on. Now live forever. Yeah. That. And when you're gone, another one gone. You know, I said, I worry yourself and it's you worry too much. Stop worry yourself, man.
Skinny, you never bitter no Skinny.
My
You not change. You need to repent, Skinny. Skinny, you need to repent.
You're a Christian now.
You need to repent, Skinny.
You're a Christian. You're a Christian now. Right there, I'm going to go to church Sunday. Early. You have to bring your baby. Come not turn no baby.
Don't worry about Princess Jane, she govern.
Then you know must
And
go
when
on.
me tell her say she govern, she govern. Remember so when you meet me, she been going to daycare. And me been at work. So no worry about her.
But you not cook.
Now ask me if me not cook. When woman cook every day, that in their eyesight. If me not that one before time. I won't be cooking. Find your way out.
Right now I'm stressed out there.
You feel like it. My God. What's that?
Yeah, it's a chat, so like it. Yo, go and cook your food, man. You chat too much, man. But I mean, here alone for the account talk about all the picnic for me making guy in pot up. Because I know it's enough for me picnic for future. So I take me mine up one for me so for sure. I think, yo, Come boy your brother and turn and turn away. Turn away. Now we are rampant. Original skinny. Water bombshell.
A is for apple, B is for boy, C is for cat, D is for doll, E is for elephant.
Babe.
Skinny way I want.
That's it, more sure, you know.
F is for fish.
Yes. Fish. Fish.
G is for giraffe.
Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe. Big. Come here, talk to you.
We don't want no. You know, see me a teacher, baby, you want me?
Please stop. Stop being me, son.
Ah, we don't want no.
Come here. I sit more and talk to you, man.
We don't want that to be more.
You're so cute.
Man. H is for horse. Horse. How
Yeah.
do you spell horse? Yeah, B.
You know, some love and a joke.
No, you know, no.
Must have been in a different good terms.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Of course, my love, baby. You know, some love, so stop going, so. You just a show off, so.
How much have you tell that?
With you.
How much of us to tell that?
Us who? Princess, I love you.
Leave her, just leave her.
Princess. Tell something, son.
Wait some. What?
Come here, me. Come here, me. Sit me.
Skinny walk, no.
Come here, me. I sit me and share. Sit me and share, man. Me stop, no?
Why you do that for?
Stop, no? What is? What is? Wait, what that?
I don't know.
Baby, you don't know?
No,
You don't know?
no. Take it off.
Yes or no?
Yes, what? Yes or no? What?
Answer me.
Yes or no, what?
Sure. Just answer me. Just answer me. Yes or no? Yes. Let me fix it for you.
No, fix it. Take it off. It squeeze me.
Well, stop mostly.
It squeeze me.
Well, you know some baby, ring expensive, you know.
It's alright. It squeeze me.
Yeah, put it on, but. Wait, put it on, but. Put it on, but. Put it on it back. Cause you know me love it. And I know that's a yes. I know that's a yes. Smile and baby and stop.
There's nothing to smile about.
Of course. How much woman nowadays I get proposed to?
This is something I'm not find for.
It come like you not understand how much I love you. You don't understand. You don't see it, you don't feel it, you don't know it, you don't understand it.
No.
Yes. Me going marry to your mommy. Me going marry to your mommy.
Talk to her, Papa.
Me going marry to your mommy. Hey, baby. Soon. Baby,
Take it off.
we'll get married soon. So.
I can't believe you really love me like that. Mommy. But how him love me so much and him, yet him treat me so. How him treat me so. Oh God, you can't believe this. What color now? What color, mommy? What's gonna be my wedding color? Should I use yellow? peach. What should I use? Lilac? No. That's too dead. No lilac. We could use pink and yellow. Yeah. Rose pink and yellow, right? Or no? Or we could use orange and yellow. No. Or yellow and blue. I don't know. Okay. I have to go call Jan and tell Jan. So you're the first person to know, mommy. I love you, my princess. My princess. You're my darling boy. Yes. Oh my God.
Skinny! Yo! Skinny! Yo! Come here, see me here. Over the fence or so.
What boy, Nick? You go out with?
There, man.
There, my bro, man. They
Yeah,
go out
man.
with.
No, say, me I keep a little birthday party.
Party.
Yeah,
What? You keep party? You a keep party, your mother a keep
Me I
party.
keep party, man.
Yeah, boy, yeah,
Save
God.
up savings.
Boy, it ain't easy, you know.
Yeah, man.
When I party?
And next week, you know.
Next week.
Yeah.
Yeah, next week. Yeah, man, come here, they both, man.
Yeah, man.
So, how much you know?
9.
9.
Yeah.
Yeah, 9.
9.
How the box? You are 9?
So,
How many
yeah,
things
9.
say you're 30? I say go like a big man, so we show.
Just knowledge.
No, true, man. See it, man. Yeah, man. I got pass through, man, you know. I am
Yeah.
boy, man, so, you know.
Yeah,
Pass through, man, support him, man. Buy a 2 back like NSC. I say, yeah, boy, yeah. I champagne, me I buy a man. None alcohol. You go on, man. Oh, me there, man, up the road, me I go, man, and thing, man, you know, so.
Me just say me that can link you and tell you.
Alright,
You
so.
coulda know.
Alright, when me circle back, me shout you, yeah? Alright, bro.
Yeah.
Outside.
I've just stressing for me, so.
Maya.
Tell me can't bother now.
Maya.
How would that?
Skinny. Maya.
What? Skinny? What no?
Yeah, God. There, man.
Look how long me not see you. I will bring you back here so now. How are your woman put you out? Hey, your woman put you out.
Put out of house.
Look how long me not see you. Months upon months upon months. I'm not even one but I see you right now.
So, where's that going, baby?
Nothing not going in right now. Me the think go for that way.
Wait, you're mad? You're mad, you can't do that, man. If you do
Why
that,
sense me go have baby for people, man?
Me tell babe, stop over yourself. I'm gonna tell you, I fix things, man. Tell you, I
You
fix
can't
things.
fix what already broken. That don't make no
I'm
sense.
tell you, I put out the beam and sit, man. Yeah, mouse.
Every day, every single day you come with the same bullshit story and I can't take it. I cannot take it.
Babe, I love you, you know, yeah, mouse. You know, I love you. You know, I love you.
You been there said that. Then me no love you too. Look, me they cheat for my man where they help me out. With you see them me all go pop breed for people, man. People, man,
So
you can't breed for. No, me not, boy. He have an idea, can you see me they throw up from when I need something they bought.
I'm not understand nothing about woman, really. I clown that, man. Cartoon, Bob, what a bombshell.
You take serious thing make joke, man.
How many years?
No, me feel my niece them they run about them come visit me today. That is not the issue. The
So I
issue.
never see them. Big girl them.
Yeah, they come around. Have them
So
just
me
come out of high school.
Oh, big girl them, man.
Where you want to know them for?
I don't say more on them. Just...
I that you come out. Who that then? I'm Maureen. When me want to talk to you about because I've been texting your phone non-stop. They tell us say I went to the doctor. He said that 35,000 to wash it away.
Me no bother with that man. I talk about me.
You just say brainwash me. They brainwash me and nothing not go on. So you tell me. But since lately, me not see that they happen. Oh God! Hold on there. I don't want to take myself before. I'm snap outside. I want this here, friendship ring.
Friendship where? You're married to you.
Married to me, I'm gonna live with you.
Where's that? Yo, listen. Me have a plan. See? Me have a plan. Sure it about and it after work. The plan you may have be after work. Now tell us it after work is a must, it's a sure thing. It's a get go. Once me execute it, it's after work.
I like you do a fit me. Nice. No look bad.
Yeah,
See, you give moms one too.
where? I'm mad, man.
Right now you just say confused me. You just say confused me. You just say confused me. Go confused. Me feel like me go mad.
There's no con in my game, bro.
You just say play with me. I be a games that they play. Me don't know. Right now, see me have on ring. I don't know. You know what me fi do? Me fi sell you and just get rid of that baby.
Sell what? 2,500 US me pay.
You spend so much for one ring.
Yeah,
for me.
I mean, a simple thing that for me, if I'm love you, I show you some love you for sure.
But me still want you get rid of that girl. Want you get rid of that girl.
So you tell say me I work on it, I work on it.
When?
Soon.
Every day soon. See, they come with the ring. They tell me don't get rid of that baby. It's like, you know, your belly not going to stay flat forever, you know.
Yeah, tell say me I have a plan. I have a plan after work. You see when I understand?
When a man loves a woman.
Oh, no bother with it. No bother with it, cause me don't want dead before it's time. No bother with it. Me go here. What me go do? Me go take your word, feet. Say you go get rid of that girl. Me go at me ID ring to come. Me know that the little piece of money I me have. See it and chop off all the finger. And me go keep the baby. Me go back at the doctor tomorrow and tell him say me change my mind, and if me see it say nothing not happen, me just go do what me have to do. Look how much people they drink dragon and must see rusty nail. Me rather take a chance. And you still like you know make no change. Me don't get rid of it before it all because it no look good. It no look good for all me they see you with your woman and then sitting there. You tell me about me go get rid of that girl, baby. Me go get rid of that girl. You know much right now me auntie they laugh off of me and they say me no say me an idiot. You don't get rid of no girl.
Listen, babe. It's good things come to those who wait.
Well, boy, they always say humble calf suck him most milk. I no see me they suck no milk right now. I be a kick the mother they kick me away.
Babe, we not just send some money in the account.
Money, me no business for the money, baby. Are you me love, me like, me love you till me just want you alone. Me no want to share it with your woman. I don't, me no want.
I will take care of things, fix things, and make it work. You understand?
If you say that, you know. And that me go tell her. No, she see short and go on, so he's very dark and full. I mean, I want him to raise his vibes for me, you know, for me call the local police wife to come kick him in the face. First say so. Why? That's my problem. I love you too much. So you go back home now to your woman. See somebody spot you and me there, you know.
That means that.
I bet you would have better for me if they go tell your woman because she will run you out quicker.
Yes, of course.
Later. I say if this a boy you know take me for fool something wrong. I don't know what I do to myself, God. How I gonna breed for people, man. Fool a frig. Every day, what is money? Money alone, money. I don't know if you're doing it, you know, say anyone see now operate right. I go take your money and wash away belly weird. True, me love people, man, and that's a problem. You're weird.
I don't know them for it. How them girl I feel like. How them feel like? $30,000 US. For ring me figure woman. My father no grow me so. Tricks in trade. Matches boxing business.
Munchkin.
I want this skinny there. Skinny eye!
Who are you calling skinny?
Evening, miss. You know, say skinny me they look for my baby father. Yeah. Oh, yeah, my auntie.
Which skinny you looking for?
You don't know skinny, tall, skinny where any ear ever raggedy. In me that talk.
Skinny are your baby father?
Yeah, you never know that.
Hold up your hand for me now, please.
How? Baby nice too. Are your baby this? So I want
I don't understand. You just walk in the yard and ask skinny.
Then me not just tell us say me look for my baby father. What part of that you not
Skinny
understand?
is my spouse. I live here with him.
You what is spouse? What that means?
Skinny and my man and me and Skinny live together. And you're bold enough and I'm sure that you knew that.
No, I didn't. Honestly, I didn't know. Skinny never tell me that when Skinny
Okay, so
me.
what brings you here?
Because me they look for Skinny from Skinny breed me not see Skinny or not Skinny. They go like he want me alone for look about the baby or the pregnancy.
Well, he is not here now and he will not be here anytime soon.
So when he go come back?
He is your baby father, you should know that.
Then Skinny not change number for me. I must because this is sitting here.
We've been together for a quite while now.
How long now? Because
it doesn't matter how long now. That's no beneficial to you.
Miss, so why attitude for?
Am I not supposed to give you an attitude?
For what reason?
I live here with my spouse and you came here.
And I'm my baby father.
Okay, we'll see about that. You deal with Skinny with that and I will deal with him regarding that part. Because if you come up here and you're telling me about your baby daddy, how do you expect me to feel about situation like that? Which it comes to me as a surprise.
Miss, or me if you know saying
well, he's not here right now, so can you please excuse yourself?
Oh, what is here?
Excuse yourself, he's not here right now.
Left till my picnic pack home here. So,
you need to take your leave.
You don't easy. You're not even would sympathize and say Skinny really. So you.
Sorry to hear that you're pregnant.
So that gonna make me keep the baby.
I'm sorry to hear that you're pregnant. Should I say?
When woman go come, that me want know. When
excuse
woman
yourself,
go
please.
Come here. When woman go come, have you Skinny picnic this year too? Hello, miss. Have you Skinny picnic? Jesus Christ!
Don't you dare! Don't you dare!
Miss, lick me.
Excuse yourself.
Lick me. You can't beat Skinny and me. You want to beat.
Excuse yourself.
I ask you if Skinny picnic this year because it come like just Skinny they grow and they breed up everybody.
Don't let me lose my patience, please. Excuse yourself. Excuse yourself.
Woman, I'm not even know what Skinny have woman live with. When Skinny they sleep out, you know what Skinny they do? Yeah. So woman are really lucky bad. Hey, you have a fool mother, you know. Lord God. And if you have a Skinny, you look different. You really look different. Most Skinny picnic. What is a picnic? You look different. Me, I want this to palm me here.
But she not easy. This a girl not easy though. She could have never be easy. Eh? She could have never be easy. But I wonder what Skinny I think so though. What Skinny could have really I think? Skinny really breed that? Skinny really left and go breed woman out the road? Me and him when he come here this evening. Me and him when he come. Me and him when he come here this evening. Me not understand. Hey, man a real dog, you know. Man a really dog. Man a really dog. Skinny really breed him. Skinny really breed she. Mommy, you see what's happening? I got a lot to tell you. I got a lot to tell you, Mommy. Come here. I got a lot to tell you.
Yeah, man, skin. Could I walk cause all of this, lad? Huh? Really? Really? Somebody have to go there in this. Come, let's go inside, mommy.